Hi everyone, I am Radhika, Senior Business Developer at Techvaria Odoo Official Partner. Today I am going to demonstrate Odoo Industry App, specifically new cleaning service application that has Odoo launched. I will start right from the Odoo Apps module where I will search Odoo Cleaning Service Industry App and download. It's already downloaded, and from there I will show you how it works and how it helps cleaning businesses manage their daily operations more efficiently.
Operations. With Odoo, in the cleaning industry, whether B2B or B2C, companies faces challenges like tracking leads, managing staff, schedule a regular visit, and invoicing clients. Odoo simplify all of this in one platform to helping a business save time, reduce error, and deliver a high quality of services. Let's begin with the CRM module. In this flow, I will show you how Odoo manage new lead, follow up with the customer, and close deal directly from the Odoo. Here I notice one lead is received from the first company for office cleaning opportunity. Now I go to the opportunity scheduler to do call activity. After I schedule a follow-up activity with the customer, I mark lead as a won. Odoo CRM is very powerful because it's all uh, communication, notes, and schedule activities in one place, so nothing get to miss and follow up are easy to manage. Now the lead is won. I create a new quotation from the smart button, select the customer, select the quotation template. Odoo automatically fills all the details like a quantity, unit, taxes, and price all in one process quickly and accurate. I send quotation to the client from send button, sending to their email, and they can sign it online in just one click. Once it's signed, automatically become a sales order. To make even more seamless, I log into the client portal. Just refresh. I notice one quotation to review. I go to the quotation, accept and sign. When I return to my portal and refresh, quotation will be automatically confirmed. Once quotation is confirmed, Auto automatically create a task and project and field services. I go to the task. I assign the task to the right person. Each task is linked to its sales order. Now let's switch to the worker side. When I log into the worker side in project in field service, I notice one task is assigned. Now I check the client address, go to the map and visit the customer site. Once I complete a cleaning task, I mark as done and fill up the timesheet. Spend time 1 hour. Now I sign and report. The customer also can sign the timesheet online and confirm the work is complete. After the customer sign and submit, it return to my portal, and that I will show you how. Go to the task. Here I notice the task is completed. Finally, let's move to the invoice. I create an invoice from the invoice button, regular invoice, confirm, and send to the customer to their email address. The invoice is sent. Again, I go to the customer portal and I notice, just refresh and notice one quotation for waiting for payment. I click on payment button, pay, and my payment is done. Now again go to the my portal, refresh, and payment automatically is done. Odoo makes the entire flow from lead to payment smooth, transparent, and efficient, giving cleaning services companies and everything they need in all in one platform.